Good afternoon, sir. My name is Kalyani Pramadkadu. I run in BSc third year. My topic is types of chemical reaction. Some points are covered. First, introduction. Second, definition. Third, types of chemical reaction. There are two types of reaction: dark or thermal reaction. Their examples. Second, photochemical reaction. Their examples. Then comparison between thermal reaction and photochemical reaction. Introduction. Chemical reaction may occur fast or slowly. Look at the two pictures in the below. Both represent chemical reaction. In the picture on the left, a reaction inside a fire extinguisher causes of foam to shoot out the extinguisher. This reaction occurs almost instantly. In the reaction on the right, a reaction causes the iron tools to turn. The reaction occurs very slowly. In fact, it might take many years for all the iron in the tools to turn to rust. The chemical reaction in which water formed from oxygen and hydrogen gases. This reaction bond break down in molecules of hydrogen and oxygen, and then new bonds form in molecules of water. In both reactants and products, there are 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms, but the atoms are combined differently in water. Definition of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction are those reactions in which identity of chemical is lost due to formation of new chemical bonds. Types of chemical reaction. First is thermal reaction or dark reaction. These are the ordinary chemical reaction which influence or induced by temperature, concentration of reactant, presence of catalyst, etc., except light radiation. Example of thermal reaction: N2 plus twice H2 in the presence of heat gives twice NH3. Second, H2 plus I2 in the presence of heat gives twice HI. Third, PCl5 are decomposed. Two products are formed, that is PCl3 plus Cl2. Second is photochemical reaction. Photochemical reaction may be defined as any reaction which takes place in the presence of light on the same. Example of photochemical reaction: first is dissociation. Twice HBr in the presence of light gives H2 plus Br2. Second, photocatalytic reaction. CO2 plus H2 plus chlorophyll in the presence of light gives CH2O plus O2 plus chlorophyll. Third combination, H2 plus Cl2 in the presence of light gives twice HCl. Fourth addition reaction, Br2 plus twice 66H5 by 2 C double bond C 66H5 by 2 in the presence of light 66H5 by 2 CBr 66H5 by 2. Fifth decomposition, twice O3 gives in the presence of light gives twice O2. 6. Polymerization. Number of C2H2 in the presence of rice are polymerized. Number of C2N2 are of 10. Comparison of thermal reaction and photochemical reaction. Thermal reaction, first point. Thermal reaction are simple in nature. Second, thermal reaction are generally fast. Third, the rate of thermal reaction depends on the temperature. Fourth, the thermal reaction free energy of molecules. In thermal reaction, free energy of molecules decrease. Second, photochemical reaction. First, photochemical reaction are complex in nature. Second, photochemical reaction are slow. The rate of photochemical reaction independent of temperature. Fourth, in photochemical reaction, free energy of molecules increase. Application of chemical reaction. First, photosynthesis in plants are example of reaction of photochemical reaction. Formation of ozone. Second, formation of ozone from oxygen in atmosphere. Third, bioluminescence in the fire fry. Third, treatment of jaundice of newborn babies. Fourth, biosynthesis of vitamin D. Reference. First, textbook of photochemistry authored by Gurdeep Raj, GOEL Publishing House, Meerut. Second, textbook of chemistry for 5th semester of BSc. Thank you.